Hi dear customers, this is our QLQ invisible slider. I separate them to be 3 groups because this model is the heavy one. This is the middle way. This is the light way. For this one is about 590 pieces before painting. After painting, it's more heavy. It's about 580 pieces per kilo. And this one, before painting, is about 610 pieces per kilo. After painting, it's about 600 pieces per kilo. And this one, before painting, it's about 640 pieces. After painting, it's more heavy, so it's about 630 pieces per kilo. So, let me show you the way. Okay, I take 1 pieces, okay, for showing. This one is about 1.7 gram. Okay, and this one, let's see what's the result. It's about 1.64, okay? And let's see this one. It's about 1.57, okay? And now we are making the mold for 550 pieces per kilo. This model will become out at the end of next month. And that one is more heavy for the more high quality requirement customer. For invisible zipper, we can sell the low one. This is the low, okay? This is low. This is low just after polishing, without painting, okay? Okay, just polishing, without painting. And these two, after painting already. Okay, after painting already. For pen, they also have a 2 quality for pen. If you want the pen looks very nice, very smooth, and once the pen can be attached to the slider body long time and very well, then the painting cost is more high. For example, this is the normal painting, and this one is the very good painting. This is a very good painting. So if you want to get more details, information about invisible slider, please email to us or contact us by WeChat or WhatsApp. Thank you.